I can see the sun slipping from the paws of darkness and illumine the house of the town crier, for his son was to marry the most beautiful girl in the community. I can even see him walking up as blood, extinguishing the burning embers and the tripod upon which delicacies are cooked in the house of Abikun, whose daughter is to be married. I can see men crying and the women running with their breasts ungathered to avoid the menace of the raging star. But they were blind to see the gentle breeze coming from the heart of the Darapri at the village square that turned eastward wind and tornado, causing this destruction. They are blind because our SMO has drank enough holy water and accepted lots of lies. They are blind because they neglected that every ripe Dana fruit is a symbol of a moment. And on the Dana tree at the village square, light giving continues going and coming and going, that is eternal. I am the beautiful, heartbroken daughter of Mr. Baka that fell in love with the son of the town crier. I am the daughter of Chioki, the most beautiful and the lust of every man. I let my Lord fall on Obina, and we are to tie the knot of our heart as one. My family is busy preparing for my marriage, without seeing the floor and waiting to extinguish the fires of the cooking tripod. My fiancé has bought his clothes and rings, and has thanked Chiwi for the smile of the sun he received as gift. My friends are hopeful to wear their shebi. I too am happy to be married. Yet they do not see the pains biting my heart that the priest wished to have washed away with his Holy Ghost fire. Because on that same day will I start my journey back home. Where I come from, my people are calling. The ripe fruit that fell has dried up. My days are up, cause I am Ogbanje. I am Ogbanje, the daughter of the soil, the princess of the river, with the heart of fire and the legs of air, made from the ashes of the dead, the bones and the mutilated, with the very spirit of Chimala. I am the living breath, the air in the lungs of innocent aged kings. I am the reincarnate of thunder and the messenger of lightning. I am the voice that calls kids to gather to Darapri and find comfort. I am the smile in the faces of newly born lonely kids. I am their companion. I am the hand that rolls with Dara to the Malvina house name in the absence of breeze to feed us man. I am the backup singer for the sorrowful tunes of the silent kids at Spring Shore. I am the gentle breeze that finds the hungry housemates to sleep in search of firewood in the lonely forest. I am that kid that comes to bring heart sorrow and heartbreak to the family of that wicked aunt, to be born and to die and to be reborn until she lends witness to other people's children. I am the kid that locks the womb of the wicked stepmother. I am the madness in the head of aunties that poison to death poor kids left in their care. I am the blindness in the minds of those that feel inferior before anything Western and condemns whatever remains of Africa as fetish. I am the confusion in the head of those that has embraced foreign beliefs and has condemned their own traditional beliefs as devilish. I am Ogbanje, the cobweb in the mind of those that believe in physical Selamania and yet call their pastors to cast signs on delivery. I am their fillery. I am the blindness that stands between the knowledge of my kind, Ogbanje and Tekosel. I am a thousand roads that make them enduring suffering. Is the man of the true believer instead of six solutions for impression. I am the death they offer up as God's will, the ignorance that make them believe enduring suffering is a mark of a true believer. I am Ogbanje. I am their poverty and their agony. I am the wealth they will never have, the money they will never spend. I have heard the cry of 1,000 barren women. I have revealed the burial ground of my Iwa to the chief priest, and in his slumber he has cast and pined what cannot be cast anywhere or pounded in time. I have led his honor, the madman, to dig it up and keep it at the doorpost of that beautiful woman as a gift and sign of my remitedness. But the priest has cast and bind this as a charm found on my mother's doorpost as revealed to him. Miracle. The priest has received glories for performing wonders and restored life to my dying body. The plan of an enemy. But I am Ogbanje. I just went to live and went to die. But the priest has prayed and the sickle cell left me. Maybe. But I am yet to see Uzonda, the madman that drops the charm that made me a sickle. The work of an enemy. Here too I see my fellows, healthy and living, with her burning porn mat, with those who are in darkness who thought they have seen light, cold genetic traits from far, blasphemy, scars of bones, knife cuts, missing fingers, darkened up skins with lumps, we should know was from our past, in the families of inhuman human. But to be afraid and just to remain in darkness. We are living in different corners of the world, where other testimonies where other cultures bear testimonies to theirs. Time travel. You say Ogbanje is devilish, yet is sickle cell anemia? Can what is biological devilish that you chose to cast it out? I am Ogbanje. I am not a sickle. Here too I see my fellows healthy and living. They are not Ogbanje. We feel our scars and we behave our past because we are from the past. We know our present and we rule our future as a testimony that the truth of the community cannot be wiped away by the hypo of self-evangelical self-deceitful lies and self-engineered anti-cultural protestants hoping to be rewarded with a cheer in heaven for fighting the fight of God. But liars will not go to heaven, but I, Ogbanje, will, if only for the light